Ready to spot trend reversals like a pro? Today, we're diving into another free reversal and trend filter indicator, a game changer that cuts through market noise. Stick around, because this tool could be the key to your next big trade. Greetings, distinguished guests. Welcome to 0618.io, your ultimate resource for mastering trading. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned trader, our platform provides valuable insights and strategies to improve your trading success. Kindly subscribe and activate notifications to stay informed. How does this tool operate? It functions as your personal trend detective, meticulously analyzing indicators such as candlestick patterns, like engulfing patterns, hammers, or shooting stars, and employing advanced mathematical algorithms to identify shifts in momentum or price action. This indicator serves as a robust two-in-one tool. The reversal signals act as an early warning system, akin to a smoke detector for potential trend shifts, while the trend filter provides an additional layer of protection, helping to prevent false trend signals. It may even offer signal confirmation before you enter a trade. However, it's important to exercise caution, much like looking both ways before crossing the street. Always conduct your own research and take into account other factors, such as volume and price action. This indicator enhances your charts with clear visual cues, such as lines, dots, or icons, similar to traffic signals that are straightforward to interpret and act upon. Common examples include the MACD, which gauges trend momentum, and the RSI, which evaluates whether the market is overbought or oversold. While no indicator can predict the market with absolute certainty, the reversal and trend filter provides a valuable and reliable tool for your trading strategy. Let's proceed with establishing a highly efficient trading setup. We will utilize two key indicators: the reversal trend filter, which identifies potential trend changes using green and red signals, and the heat map seasons, which aids in visualizing momentum. Begin by opening a 1-minute Bitcoin chart, as this strategy is optimized for short time frames. Now, let's detail the trading setup. Search for the Exit Willie Alerts indicator in Tradingview's search box. Once identified, we should adjust the settings to hide certain options, thereby streamlining our view and concentrating on the most relevant elements. Apply another indicator, Easy Entry Exit Trend. Next, we will modify the settings to optimize performance. These adjustments enhance the indicator's responsiveness to short-term price movements, making it ideal for our 1-minute chart. How to use these indicators together to score winning trades. Entry signal, Exit Willie, await a green buy signal. Easy entry. Exit trend, ensure that this indicator is in bull uptrend mode and that a bullish candle is present. Lastly, confirm the setup with a bullish candlestick pattern on the chart. When all three conditions are met, this constitutes a buy signal. Trade management. Set your stop loss at the previous day's low as a safeguard. Target a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. Keep in mind that this strategy is designed for quick entries and exits. It's crucial to manage your risk carefully and adhere to the plan. Prepare for an additional layer of confirmation by searching for the Nataria Smoothed Bollinger Bands in Tradingview. This indicator refines the classic Bollinger Bands, making them smoother and helping to identify potential breakouts more clearly. Keep in mind that this serves as an additional filter rather than a definitive solution. Our primary entry signals remain the focus. Next, we will demonstrate live trades to showcase this setup in action. The Nataria Smoothed Bollinger Bands can serve as a key tool for precise entry timing. Notice how these bands are smoother, allowing us to more clearly identify potential breakouts from trends. Here's the insight. If the market consistently bounces off and touches the upper Bollinger Band, it could indicate an emerging uptrend. When this occurs, and the Exit Willie indicator flashes a green buy signal, along with the Easy Entry Exit Trend indicator being in bull uptrend mode, we have a potential trading opportunity. Trade management. Stop loss. Set it at the previous day's low as a precautionary measure. Take profit. Target a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. Selling opportunities. Now, let's discuss selling opportunities. The inverse applies. When the market consistently bounces off the lower Bollinger Band, it could indicate a downtrend. The key is to watch for the Exit Willie indicator to flash a red sell signal and confirm that the easy entry exit trend is in bearish downtrend mode. When these conditions align, a potential short opportunity arises. It's crucial that all indicators confirm before executing the sell order. Trade management, stop loss. As before, set it at the previous day's high to safeguard your capital. Take profit. Continue targeting a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. This strategy emphasizes quick entries and exits. Always manage your risk and adhere to the plan. In this video, I demonstrated how to effectively integrate the Exit Willie Alerts indicator with the Easy Entry Exit Trend and Nataria Smoothed Bollinger Bands to develop a successful trading strategy. If you found this content valuable, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. You're also encouraged to explore my other videos for additional insights. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to sharing more with you in the next video.